Previously.
I really like Emma. I really like Emma. I wonder if she likes me. I wonder if she likes me. I guess I'll find out soon. I guess I'll find out soon. We're meeting at a Mexican restaurant. We're meeting at a Mexican restaurant. I must remember, no beans. I must remember, no beans. I'd like a table for two, please. I'd like a table for two, please. Chicken tacos. Chicken tacos. Beef tacos. Beef tacos. Pork tacos. Pork tacos. Shrimp tacos. Shrimp tacos. Fish tacos. Fish tacos. Vegetarian tacos. Vegetarian tacos. Rice. Rice. Beans. Beans. Grilled vegetables. Grilled vegetables. Hi, Emma. Hi, Emma.
Hi, Liam. Hi, Liam.
The menu looks good. The menu looks good.
Yes. I eat here often. Yes. I eat here often. Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'll have the chicken tacos with rice and beans. I'll have the chicken tacos with rice and beans.
That sounds good. That sounds good. But I'll have the vegetarian tacos. But I'll have the vegetarian tacos. Would you like anything to drink? Would you like anything to drink?
No, water is fine. No, water is fine.
I like water too. I like water too. The plate. The plate.
The napkin. The napkin.
The glass. The glass.
The fork. The fork.
The knife. The knife.
The spoon. The spoon.
The table. The table.
The chair. The chair.
The food looks good. The food looks good.
Yes. Let's eat. Yes. Let's eat.
Oh no! Oh no! I forgot! I forgot! No beans! No beans! To be continued. Please subscribe and enable notifications